Welcome to the training video for Advanced Data Alignment, part of Solved Engine. My name is Brad Ashley and I'm the Director of Business Development here at Solved. Through this training video, we hope to take data that looks like this and turn it into data that looks like this. Misalignment of 360-degree images and point cloud is a very common issue we see with many data sets. Our data alignment tool specifically targets systematic errors in the alignment, allowing the full data set to be corrected using one set of parameters. It uses the least squares approach. The Advanced Image Aligner tool I'll be showing here is an optional module available within Solved Engine. We do have a more manual tool for individual image correction, so please feel free to contact us directly for information on that. Both aligner tools can be found under the Tools list in the Engine Viewer. Once you open the Advanced Data Alignment tool, you'll notice that it requires 5 observations at a minimum. If you wish to increase the number of entries, simply use the Add button at the bottom right. More observations spread throughout the data sets can help to improve the accuracy of the alignment. When selecting areas for observations, we have a few suggestions. 1. Choose observations in multiple images across the entirety of the project. This will ensure that the correction isn't localized to a portion of the project. 2. Try and keep the observations within the middle or eye level portion of the image. 360-degree images often have distortion on the top and bottom of the image due to stitching, and we don't want to confuse this for the error of the alignment. 3. Try and select image locations that are in focus. It's difficult to pick out of focus locations accurately. And finally, 4. 5 observations is often enough, but if you require additional ones, add as needed. Let's select our 5 points. Find some points that are distinguishable in both the image as well as the point cloud. Let's start with the image control point and then find the corresponding point in the point cloud. We'll do this again, turning a different direction in the image. I'm going to speed up the video at this point, but overall the process is quick and can be redone as required. Once the 5 measurements have been taken, you can select the Run Alignment Correction. This will now show you the rotational error in degrees per observation. If any observation is above 0.5, it will appear as yellow, and those above 1 will show as red. If any observation is outside of your tolerance, simply delete the measurement and add another. Once the errors are within your tolerance, select Apply Alignment Correction, and you'll be able to see the new alignment. Move to a few separate images within the project to ensure the alignment meets the approval throughout the entirety of the project. If you now look in the folder where the images for the project were saved, you'll see a 4x4 matrix file has automatically been saved in the folder. If you plan to make any additional edits to the alignment in this project, we recommend you rename and save this file as a first iteration, or whatever your naming convention might be. You can also save a new CSV file to be saved with the images. Right-click on the CSV in the Management tab on the left and export the corrected CSV. This updated CSV is what should be sent with the images to clients or third-party stakeholders to ensure they will see the similar improvements in the alignment. If you need to remove the alignment and want to revert back to the original, select the pencil beside the project name. Here you'll see that the camera correction file, your 4x4 matrix, has been loaded into the project. Simply remove the file or upload a new one. Note: if you are using an already corrected CSV for the images and apply the correction matrix here in the project settings, you will see an overcorrection of the data, which often looks like a misalignment. Please refer to the user guide and handouts sent to you in an email for sample data and tips and tricks of using this tool. You will also see minimum hardware requirements for running the application. We look forward to hearing from you on your results, and please feel free to contact our support desk at help@solved.com for additional information.